Hey guys, it's your friend Mint here. So today's going to be a bit of an interesting video. It's going to be, I guess, a bit of a highlight video of one of my games I played as a mech mage. And it's a highlight video, I guess, because I tried a weird play, I suppose. And I'm not going to tell you if the play worked or not, but I will break it down for you real quick before we get started. So I have, as you'll see in the video, and Nexus champion Sarad. I ping off his face a couple of times, and eventually I get a Force of Nature, and with the Force of Nature I also have an Echo of Medivh in my hand. So I decide to maybe try and summon the 3 tree ants and get them back again, and summon them again next turn. So again, I'm not going to tell you if it worked. You're going to have to watch the video to find out, and please enjoy. Also, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and again, enjoy the video.
Jaina versus Anduin. The light shall bring victory.
You asked for it.
Try and get some mechs with that. Damn Echo of Medivh. Not a really great card to get in the top of your hand. It's really not a card you want on the top of your hand. Try and bluff that we have a few mechs here. Maybe we'll draw one.
The damned stand ready.
Yeah. No. See how this goes. I'd rather just get rid of that now and then. I don't have any marks. I inspire my way into some spells.
Mocking me?
Eventually. I'd probably morph that if I wanted to. Ah, shit. Polymorph it, yeah. I'll save this for when I can actually inspire into a card. But could he really kill it? That's the question. I don't think he could. Unless he buffs that sheep really high up.
Let's negotiate. You concede, and I'll let you live.
See if he can kill it. Nope. Can't kill it.
Had your chance.
And I get that inspire. Sweet. Maybe the best move next turn would be just to Tinkertown and then Echo, because then I could get shit tons of minions. Well, not shit tons, but I get another one of him.
My work is paramount. Leave me alone.
If I Echo, well, I can Tinkertown Echo.
See if this is.
Okay, Tinkertown, that thing. Just do more mechs.
Tinkering? I am ready.
Hit that. That. And I'm gonna go and attack his face. Should have probably killed that actually. I'd probably lens it or some shit and kill my I don't even know this guy's name. Nexus champion Sarad. Holy shit. It's a mouthful. quite the mouthful, but if he does kill it, it's okay. We got a few spells off him. And we got a Force of Nature. I didn't even notice that. That's awesome. Could I technically Force of Nature Echo Medivh, I wonder? Let's go with this. Two. Okay. It's actually a really good card to use right now. Let's give this guy stealth just in case it's Shadow Madness. Just in case it's Shadow Madness. And then I'm gonna try and Force of Nature and see if Echo Medivh will work with that. That would actually be really cool. No. Crap, I really want to do it, but keeps giving, like, there keeps being better plays to do. I think I'm gonna go, yeah. Polymorph. That. Back him. There. Next turn, I want to try this, because I kinda have to.
Let me change your mind.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. One more turn and I do it. That has more value to me. Keep saying that. One more turn and I'll do it. Keeps getting everything out there and it's just annoying now. Okay. Can I finally do it? Can I finally see if this will work? Ah! Next turn. Next turn. Definitely will next turn. It's just so much smarter to do that. That works. Okay, so if I force him, I want to see if this will work though. If I force in Nature and Echo Medivh, will they give me more treants too? Force in Nature, Echo Medivh. Bam! More treants. That's fucking sick. Potentially I could just Flame Strike and then use them. Eh, fuck it. I'm just going face, yeah. Yeah, 6. I got 6 damage. Damage, 7 damage. I think I got this right here. Just to be sure, we'll summon the Flame Walker. So 1, 2, 3. That's pretty fucking crazy. Oh, give him taunt. Yeah, that's it.
You have better.
Oh, that was really freaking cool. Holy shit. Oh, I like that. Hey guys, so as you can see, it definitely worked, and you can definitely Echo a Medivh back, Force of Nature back into your hand. You can get those treants back. I really don't think this scenario would be possible in any other situation. Maybe with a lore walker Chow, but with a lore walker you would probably die after he used that because he'd probably just use it for a kill shot anyways. And then maybe Nefarian would probably be possible, but I don't think that would ever happen in competitive play because competitive decks don't really run Nefarian, so yeah. Anyways, if you ever get this combo, I advise you to give it a try because it was really fun to do. And yeah, please comment, leave a like, subscribe, and have a great day.